In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Cash App to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place your Cash App link right in your TikTok bio so shoppers can find it easily. This is a simple, quick update inside your profile, and it's especially helpful if you're selling through TikTok Shop and want a clear payment option visible to your audience. Start by opening your TikTok account. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use for your shop. If you manage multiple profiles, double-check that you're on the correct one so your changes appear where you expect. It also helps to have your Cash App link ready to paste. Typically, that's the cash.app link followed by your cash tag, which is the public identifier you use to receive payments. Keep it professional and avoid including any private details. Once TikTok is open, head to your profile. You'll find the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where you control what visitors see when they land on your page, your photo, username, and importantly, for today, your bio. A clear, concise bio can make a big difference in helping viewers understand how to support your shop. Next, tap Edit. This opens the section where you can update your profile fields. Keep an eye out for the bio area. That's the space where you'll paste the details of your Cash App link. A clean format works best. For example, support the shop, cash.app, your cash tag. Keep it short, avoid extra symbols or long explanations, and make sure there aren't any typos. The simpler it looks, the easier it is for viewers to recognize and use. Now, paste your Cash App link in the bio field. This step is straightforward, but accuracy matters. Only include your public Cash App link. Never share passwords, codes, or other sensitive information. If your audience is global, remember that some users might not be familiar with Cash App. A brief phrase like "Pay with Cash App" helps clarify what the link is. A quick note on availability. Adding this to your bio is only available for eligible TikTok Shop accounts. If you don't see the expected options or the link doesn't appear clickable, your account or region may not be eligible yet. Requirements can vary, so eligibility is the key factor here. That's it. With your link in the bio, your TikTok profile now points shoppers to your Cash App, making it easier for them to support your business directly from your page.